text you late to the fucking studio. This song sucks. You need to tighten your whole fucking game up, dude.
Yeah, I'll be there in like 5 minutes, man. Shit.
Yeah, whatever, dog. I'm tired of this
I
shit.
told these motherfuckers they should wait up. They steady keeping hate up. A skinny motherfucker, I'm trying to get my weight up. Ballin' like I'm Tony, hawk up in this half pipe. I'm blowing up like nukes, but fuck having a half-life. I'm living to the fullest. I'm sick of all the bullshit. My YouTube hits will make you die. Full clip, I'm living in the ocean with palm trees and shit. Collecting F-words from all the fucks I should give. I'm a fuck up, I know. That's what my teachers told me, and they told me I should stop doing my thing. They can blow me, I ain't lonely. I'm just chillin', trying to buy my mama purse. Trying to have a little fun before they throw me in a hearse. Shit hurts. I'm serious, it gets kinda delirious, but now I'm on fire. Just like Dennis Leary is. The first 48 tracks I make better make plaques, or I'm coming back to start over. I'm pushing 60 on the gas, hand on the ass, and I'm living right now just in case it don't last. Filling up my glass, I'm trying to live with class, but these girls in my world trying to put me on blast. But I keep rolling. This is what dreams are made of. This is what dreams are made of. But I keep rolling. This is what dreams are made of. This is what dreams are made of. I told these motherfuckers that I ain't coming back with nothing less than a smash record and 20 million cash. Matter of fact, make sure that all these people getting stacks. Treat my joints like my checkbooks, they all be getting cashed. I'm a smash, looking like I did this for no reason. If you knew just how I worked, then you would see why I was teasing with these mixtape tracks. Going on and on and on. What other kid at 17 was signing deals out of his home? Besides Bieber, I got fever cause I'm hot up in this bitch. Justin getting money, dog, so I'm trying to get rich. Driving 60 in the Switch with my handle on my bitch. I'm just cruising, making sure that I don't land up in no ditch. That's a metaphor, whore for my life, Al Gore. It's an inconvenient truth to be bored, I'm sure. So I try to keep it real with all the people that I got, cause when I fall off, I'm landing on the top. I'm pushing 60 on the gas, hand on the ass, and I'm living right now